Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my ECCO Soft 7 shoes.
These are made of high quality leather. I have them in this nice white color. The sole is really easy to clean and you have a great grip on the bottom. So if you're doing a lot of walking, maybe you're gonna take these to a place like Europe and you have to go on cobblestones. These are perfect because they have that nice treaded rubber base. They also have a high heel, so you can see when I walk, I don't slip out of it. You have nice shoelaces that are very easy to wash. And they're just very easy to maintain, and they still look great after having these for a long time. These shoes have really great arch support, and you can actually take this insole out and put your own if you want. So that's what the insole looks like. So you have arch support there, and then there you go. You have extra width now to put in your own insole. But naturally, they are made with a lot of arch support inside. And of course, this great leather insole that's really easy to take out and clean.
So if you're looking for really well-made, stylish, and comfortable shoes, I highly recommend these. I think you're gonna love them.
And that's my point of view.